Hello and welcome to Miss Dr. Mom's YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Krista Ryan and I am your host today. I'm super excited to present this channel to you because we are going to be learning tips and tricks to all kinds of sick. Yes, that sounded really funny, but that's the thing. I wanted to let you guys know that I got on here and started doing YouTube channels for a very specific reason. I'd have people come into my clinic and they'd come in with a shoulder or a wrist problem or a back problem. And when I first got into my practice, I realized very quickly that people that had a wrist problem that I helped referred as many family members as they could that actually had wrist problems. And people with a back problem referred as many people with back problems as they possibly could. And they didn't realize what I was capable of and that I could help multiple conditions. And so I decided to take on this challenge of actually just trying to empower and educate every single person that comes into my life on how to help themselves at home without the stress of exercise, without having to focus on major, massive diets. Sometimes little changes in our life can cause a huge lasting impact, and I want to have an impact on each and every one of you. When I was young, I had 50 horses at the time, and everybody used to run to me with any sort of animal condition. And then it just sort of fueled my passion to become a chiropractor because I wanted to help other people, not with just animal conditions, but I wanted to help people in their health, and I wanted a healthy body myself. And so I went on this journey. I went to chiropractic college in a different country and I learned a ton of things, but my learning and education didn't stop there. It just sort of fueled my burning desire to do little things to help make a lasting impact. I needed to modify my techniques, modify my procedures so that every single person coming in contact with me would get the help that they needed. And I realized that chiropractic education wasn't the biggest thing out there that I could do for my patients. So I started taking seminar after seminar and learning all these health things. And what I would do when I go to these health classes is that I'd say, okay, in my mind, I'd say, what can I take away and learn one thing that I can implement in my patients right now that would have a lasting impact on their life so that they would be healthier tomorrow than they ever were today. And that's why I created this channel and created my business online, because I want to reach out and help every single person. I remember looking through encyclopedias. I remember going to the library and searching for answers. In fact, when Google came out, I started looking for health solutions on Google, and I realized that that's not an alternative because it's not telling you about you. It's not tailoring your care, and that's what a doctor does, is they tailor the care to you as an individual. And so I want to teach you guys what I've learned through this process, through 15 years plus of just pouring health knowledge into myself. I want to deliver that to you guys. And I'm so excited that you guys are here because you are going to go on a journey starting today with this channel to change your health and the lives of the people that you come into contact with, including those loved members, family members in your life, because I want to be able to present you simple solutions to everyday things. And I want to help you with your health in the comfort of your own home because, guys, we can't go out and socialize as much as we used to. And so where are you going to find this information? Where are you going to feel like this is something I can trust and I can implement and it can have lasting impact in your life starting today? So welcome, guys, to Miss Dr. Mom. And if you are a first-time person, please subscribe and like, because I won't be able to deliver you this great content without you being a part of our community. And I want to give you a gift today of being a Miss Dr. Mom yourself. And if you're not a Miss, it's going to be a Mr. Dr. Mom. The whole idea behind Miss Dr. Mom is that lots of times we miss our doctor, and then who do we go to? we go to mom. So I'm empowering you guys, moms, dads, people that are in charge of communities, to learn things that will help your health today, because you can't put on the oxygen mask on somebody else. You have to put it on yourself first before you can help your family members and the people within your community. And this is such a great thing, guys. If you don't have your health, you don't have wealth, you don't have the relationships in your life that you need. And so building a foundation of health to begin with is so important, and I'm super passionate about this. And so guys, I challenge you today, please get on board, but I want you to take up the call, I want you to feel empowered that you can, through simple education, learn to identify things within your own body that you might not even know. And you're going to find that out in the videos below. And you won't be able to do that unless you like and subscribe today. So guys, I'm super excited to present this to you. And there is much more coming. I am going to be starting both podcasts as well as YouTube channel that focuses on the next part of your journey, which is focus on little things in order to have a lasting impact for your whole life without exercise and massively changing our diet. So welcome to our Miss Dr. Mom family, guys, and we will see you on the next videos. Have a great rest of your day.